Alright, well I got a new toy so I can have audio on my GoPro. I tried it recently going to Shelter Cove, but the battery died, so we're going to do some patterns. See you in the run-up area. Alright, our back run-up's complete. I got one in the pattern and a helicopter on final. So, trying to get some patterns in before the sun goes down, because it's a beautiful day. We'll see how it goes.
Noted traffic, Cessna 9252 Hotel, turning downwind for runway 0 to noted traffic.
Alright, Campy's latched, we're on the full tank, calf ups are out, speed brakes tracted, trim is set. That's your traffic, Experimental 722 Kilo Charlie taking off runway 2, close pattern sentry. Alright, Cessna is on midfield downwind. Looks like we can do some bomber patterns today. Lined up, here we go. Takeoff power set. Airspeed's alive. And we're airborne. Nice and cold, 1,000 feet a minute, 1,100. And in entry, I gotta wait till 800 feet to turn crosswind. Here we go. That's traffic 2 Kilo Charlie crosswind 2 in entry.
Noted traffic, Cessna 9252 Hotel, turning base for runway 0 to noted traffic.
I'll keep him in sight because they usually go long. Pattern altitude, throttle back, car beat on, about 2200. Alright, got him turning base. That one's cleared. That's traffic 2 Kilo Charlie downwind 2 entry. I'll fly Cessna speeds here.
Noted traffic, Cessna 9252 Hotel, turning final for runway 0 to noted traffic.
Alright, mixture.
Entry traffic, helicopter 0 Foxtrot Mike's on the go. We're going to be right close traffic for south of the airport here. Right close traffic for the helicopter back to the grass strip. Entry.
Entry traffic, Cessna 9252 Hotel, final runway 02. We have the helicopter traffic in sight. Entry.
Alright, got him on final. Where'd that helicopter go? Might get lucky and see a sun behind the mounts. Alright, being the numbers, I go idle, below speed brake speed. Free brake comes out, forward trim to counter. This airplane does not like to slow down, so I just slow it down now and then start at descent. Speed brakes out. T's on the go. Sweet, I can turn early. That's traffic 2 Kilo Charlie base 2 entry. Of course, I'm going to eat them up on the upwind. Finals clear. That's traffic 2 Kilo Charlie turning final 2 entry. Gonna need a little power. Ooh, a little wake turbulence off of him. little more drug in than I like.
Roger, traffic Cessna 9252 Hotel. Left crosswind turn from runway 02. Roger, traffic.
Alright, so 83, runway's made, power's out. Hold it. A little balloon. There, speed brake comes in, power. And airborne. Speed brakes up.
Roger, traffic Cessna 9252 Hotel. Turning downwind from runway 02. Roger, traffic.
And I'm going to have to extend my upwind. Alright, he's a beam me. That's your traffic to kill Charlie crosswind 2 entry. Just keep it slow. I'm already pattern altitude. Repeat. That's traffic to kill Charlie, downwind 2 entry. Alright, gas is on the full tank. It's fixed, mixture is rich.
White here, 55 Papa on your left. Left high. White here on Unicom. Roger, traffic Cessna 9252 Hotel. Turning base for runway 02, not to check.
Oh, I thought I had him. I was looking at the wrong guy. There he is.
4.
I personally like to keep tight patterns in case my engine goes out.
Yeah, go ahead for flight care.
But sometimes I gotta fly a little bit wider.
Downwind traffic, you're still behind us, right? You're not passing us.
Hey, firm, I'm extended downwind for you.
Appreciate it. We heard left pass. I'm not sure if it was for us or not.
No, I think that was someone on a different airport.
Oh, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, MAGCOM flight carrier covered by other radio traffic. Can you say again?
Yep, definitely was. Anyway, so when this happens, I still just keep...
Nutry traffic, Cessna 925 Hotel. Final for runway 02, Nutry.
I can't talk when people are transmitting. I keep high and fast in case... This is an area I don't like because... no, I can't. There's a balloon on... That's funny. That's traffic to kill Charlie Base 2, Nutry. There's a balloon floating over these houses. Right on downwind. So I'm high and fast on purpose in case something goes wrong. I can still make the runway and I'll just delay my speed brake. And without a speed brake, this thing will not slow down. So I'm idle right now. I can still make the runway. That's traffic to Kilo Charlie, turning final 2 entry. I'm going 100, so the speed brake's coming out. I know I can make it. Might actually have to slip a bit. Looks like a full stop. Good, we can do our own patterns the way we want. Oh, but he landed long.
Your traffic, that's the 95 Hotel, up on runway 02, Nutry.
Oh, not a full stop. Car beats it. Still at idle, full speed brake, and I'm still high. There, settling in. There's always a sink right here. Adding power. I guess I couldn't have made it. On the numbers. Not the best, but on the numbers. Alright, where is he? Oh, got him in sight.
True traffic, Cessna 925 Hotel, left cross, 110 next.
Oh, I really want to turn inside him, but I won't.
That's your traffic, helicopter 0 Foxtrot, Mike's on the go, parallel taxiway 02, right close traffic for the helicopter back to the grass area, south side of the airport, in a tree.
Nice, smooth day. And pattern altitude.
South traffic, Cessna 9252 Hotel, turning downwind from runway 02, not traffic.
Left traffic to Kilo Charlie, crosswind to entry. A little high. And traffic to Kilo Charlie, turn downwind to entry. Gonna turn inside him a bit.
Non-street traffic, Cessna 124 Charlie Kilo, 7 miles to the north, inbound for runway 20. Non-street traffic.
That's the wrong runway.
Aircraft calling for 20, we got 02s in use and 2 traffic back.
That happens a lot here with two.
Yeah, 2 in the traffic pattern and 1 crazy helicopter.
Yeah, RNAV GPS runway 20, practice approach here, we'll break it off early, let you know.
That also happens a lot. People do RNAVs into the opposite direction. I had a fun one where someone said runway 2 the whole time, and we were actually on 20, and we were beak to beak on downwind. Alright, so I got someone doing an approach on 20, someone about to turn base, and a helicopter on the other side. Gas indicators, make sure prop is fixed.
South traffic, Cessna 9252 Hotel, turning base for runway 02, not traffic. So be a full stop for 52 Hotel.
Awesome. I'm going to stem my downwind even more. Woo!
Hotel, this is helicopter 0 Foxtrot, Mike, we're off here 11 o'clock. We'll just follow you in between you and the next aircraft. We'll be landing to the grass area south of the runway, that tree.
Alright, we got the helicopter in sight, we're turning final from runway 02. Thanks for letting us go ahead, entry.
No, that's totally cool. We're standing out of your way. By the way, you guys don't have ADSB, because if you do, it ain't working right now.
Thanks for that tip, sir. 52 Hotel.
Oh, there's a helicopter. Okay. I'm extend a leave a little bit more than I wanted to for the full stop. And let's drive it to Kilo Charlie, base number 3, entry. Alright, short final. And a traffic to Kilo Charlie, final 2, entry. Lost the helicopter. And I'm fast because I don't speed brake out. Speed brake's coming out. Oh, there's a helicopter. I'll just put it partially out. And I've got someone beak to beak doing the RNAV.
Net 3 traffic, Cirrus 157 Alpha Tango's at transient parking. We have the helicopter in sight. We'll wait for you to pass. Net 3.
Alright, rest is...
Copy, Sirius, helicopter 0 Foxtrot, Mike, we'll move over to the grass area here. You're clear on the taxiway.
Alright.
Thanks much, 7 Alpha Tango.
Rest of the speed brakes out. Still a little high and fast. You'll settle in. My hand's going numb. I need to put a heater in this thing.
Roger, traffic Contact Hotel, clear runway 02, taxi steel metro.
There we go, there's the settle. RP. Good speed. Ooh, a little sink. Maybe a little turby-turbs from the other plane. Oh, better. Alright, speed brakes up, trim for climb, and where's that traffic? 1700 above. I'll just turn inside. Do a VX. VY, 95. Gotta love ADSB. That's traffic 2 Kilo Charlie, cross 12, nut tree. Now we can do on tight patterns. That's traffic 2 Kilo Charlie, down 12, nut tree. Cirrus holding short, pattern's mine for now. And we're
That sounds like you're on final. Any word on accepting yet?
I beam the numbers, idle, speed brake, trim.
Yeah, he is messing around. He flew really close to us in this airplane.
Oh, someone got upset.
Nut tree traffic, helicopter 0 Foxtrot Mike is going to be on the go from the right parallel taxiway 02. Right close traffic for the helicopter back to the grass area south of the airport into Nut tree.
Nut traffic 2 Kilo Charlie base 2 nut tree. Alright, I got the helicopter in sight. We share the same frequency as South Lake Tahoe, so when you're up at pattern altitude, I can pick up on it. And that's traffic 2 Kilo Charlie turning final 2 nut tree. Even at idle, it seems high, but I bet I'm going to have to add power. We'll see. There's always a slight sink when I fly over the canal. Power beats in. Yeah, we'll have to add a little bit. There's the sink. And power's out. Oh yeah. But speed brakes tracted, trim. I always have a landing like that and I'm like, alright, that was good.
Nut tree traffic, Cirrus 157 Alpha Tango is departing runway 2 to the west.
I have a nice greaser like
Nut tree.
I have a nice one like that and I'm like, alright, I'm done, and then my full stop's crap. Let's not forget there's a helicopter flying opposite patterns. That's traffic 2 Kilo Charlie cross 12 nut tree. Traffic 2 Kilo Charlie down 12 nut tree. We'll do one more touch and go to full stop. I'd really love to catch a sunset, but I gotta get home for dinner. Make sure gas, cow flat, still So good.
That tree traffic, Cirrus 157 Alpha Tango, turning crosswind and departing to the west. That tree.
Where's my helicopter? Idle, slow down a bit for the board. There we go, full board. Alright, speed brake.
Tree traffic, helicopter 0 Foxtrot Mike's on the go, 02 parallel taxiway, right close traffic for the helicopter at the nut tree.
Oh, that's cool. That's traffic Kilo Charlie, base 2 nut tree. All I can see on my speed brake is if it's up or down, so I have to listen to it right behind the seat. Especially flies hands off.
Delta traffic 6303 kilo 4 miles southeast, will be overflying the field 2,000 feet, entering left downwind teardrop for 02 nut tree.
Let's traffic to Kilo Charlie, final 2 nut tree. A little bit tighter. I'm curious to see. I'm not going to mess with the power or slip. I want to see where I land. It's going to be a longer, maybe. We'll see. Heartbeats in. Maybe that sync will help me this time. There's the sync. Oh, this is almost perfect. Oh, it is perfect. Flare. Yeah. On the piano. Although my tail touched first, which is easy to do in this airplane. But I'll take it. All right, I'm happy with that. I've satisfied the flying itch for the day. Nice 30 minutes. And the traffic to Kilo Charlie is crosswind 2 nut tree. Not a full sunset, but it looks nice. Alright, some guy said he was overflying. Okay, I see him on ASB. I'll be in front of him. Pattern altitude, power back. Let's traffic to Kilo Charlie, downwind 2 nut tree, full stop. A little too much throttle. There's even a little rainbow. Didn't even burn 2 gallons. Worth it. Alright, no need to spot land on this one. I'll take the second taxi to the hangar, beam the numbers, idle, board, rim. Next.
Delta traffic 03 kilo crossing midfield 2,000 feet, will be entering teardrop left downwind 02 nut tree.
Alright. Good speed, start descent. And after traffic to Kilo Charlie, turn at base to nut tree. Turn early, don't care if I land a little long. I got the helicopter in sight, on the go again. He's no factor on the taxiway. Still good speed. And the traffic to Kilo Charlie, turn to final 2 nut tree.
Delta traffic 6303 kilo is on teardrop for left downwind 02 nut tree.
A little higher and faster than last time.
You coming to pick me up, Rich?
I round out a bit to rest the set. Flare. yeah, finally a smooth full stop. Rudder. Speed brake's coming up. Stick forward. Get back on center line. Light braking. Pedals down and loud. Speed brakes up. In the brakes.
Metro traffic 603 kilo is on left downwind 02 knot rate.
Resist the urge to turn early. Alright, safe speed. And Metro traffic 2 kilo, Charlie's clear. Back to the hangar. There's like 2 nice Lancers over there that I would love to fly. Just collecting dust, whether 320s or 360s. All right, well, if this is successful, whoever's bored can watch this on YouTube. I'm going to call it now because I'm turning the radio off. You won't be able to hear me. See you on the next one.